Looking for a way to capture life's moments without fumbling with a camera? Here are the 5 best options I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. M12 AI Smart Glasses. Let's kick things off with the M12 AI Smart Glasses. Priced at $128.99, I was really intrigued by their promise of 1080p video recording and a built-in AI voice assistant. If you want a hands-free way to capture your adventures while staying connected, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature has to be the HD 8-megapixel camera and 1080p video capabilities. This means you can record clear and stable videos whether you're biking, hiking, or just hanging out with friends. Imagine capturing those spontaneous moments without having to pull out your phone. Plus, the real-time translation feature can be a lifesaver when traveling abroad. You can communicate seamlessly in multiple languages, giving you confidence to explore new places. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 8 hours of audio battery life and the ability to switch between 2 lens styles, you'll feel prepared for any situation. And did I mention the dual microphones? They deliver crystal clear audio even in noisy environments, so your calls and music sound great. Now, some people complained about the battery life for video recording being only 12 minutes at a time. Here's the thing though, that's really not a deal breaker if you're mainly using it for short clips or moments. It's perfect for quick captures, especially during outdoor activities. This is perfect for you if you're a tech-savvy traveler or a content creator wanting to document your life hands-free. Skip this one if you need to record longer videos regularly because the time limitation might frustrate you. At this price, it offers solid value for anyone looking to enter the smart glasses market. Now, if the battery life for video recording was a concern for you, this next option may take a completely different approach. Product number 2. VS DSLGD Smart Glasses. The VS DSLGD Smart Glasses, available for just $32.28. They caught my eye because of their affordability combined with the promise of 1080p HD video recording. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to capture your adventures, this is a solid contender. These glasses come with a built-in HD 1080p camera that allows you to record your hiking or biking trips effortlessly. The 64GB memory card included means you can save a ton of footage without worrying about running out of space. However, keep in mind that there's no Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity, so you'll need to pull the memory card out to view your videos on a computer. Here's why this matters. If you want something straightforward and easy to use without extra tech, these glasses deliver. One drawback I noticed is the 90-minute continuous recording time on a full charge. Some users found that inconvenient when trying to capture longer events, but if you're just looking for quick snippets, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you're a casual user wanting to document your activities without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're a serious vlogger or need high-tech features, as it might leave you wanting more. For the price though, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list is a bit more advanced and might actually offer better features for your needs. Product number 3. Emerhome AI Smart Glasses. Let's check out the Emerhome AI Smart Glasses, priced at $129.99. These caught my attention with their 2K camera and impressive features like real-time translation. If you want high-quality video recording along with advanced tech, this is worth considering. With a sharp 1200p video capture and an 8-megapixel camera, these glasses deliver stunning visuals. The multi-frame noise reduction and image stabilization means your footage will look professional even if you're on the move. Plus, the real-time AI translation feature breaks down language barriers, which is fantastic for travel. The 8 hours of battery life means you'll have plenty of time to record and enjoy music without worrying about recharging constantly. However, some users mentioned that the glasses can feel a bit heavy after long periods of wear. Here's the thing though, if you're using them for short activities or specific events, that weight might not be an issue. They're loaded with features that make them a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you're an avid traveler who loves to document experiences without missing a beat. Skip this one if you're sensitive to weight or plan to wear them for extended periods, as comfort could become a concern. Still, for the tech savvy, the value is there. Now, if the weight was concerning you, the next pair I'm about to review is designed for comfort and convenience. Product number 4, Zigtech Smart Glasses. At $85.99, I found them appealing for their AI-powered features and comfortable design. If you're looking for smart glasses that offer a blend of functionality and comfort, these may be right up your alley. These glasses boast an 8-megapixel camera that captures 1080p video without needing to touch your phone. The anti-shake technology is a game changer for action shots. Plus, the wireless transfer to your phone through the Hey Cyan app makes it easy to manage your media. With voice control and real-time recognition features, you'll feel like you have a personal assistant right on your face. But I did notice some concerns regarding the app's speed for transferring large files. Some users found it a bit slow. However, if you're patient and don't need to transfer videos in a hurry, it's a minor hiccup for a product packed with features. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and enjoy hands-free recording during active moments. Skip this one if you're looking for instant access to your files after capturing them. The transfer process may take a little time. Overall, it's a great deal for the features it offers. Now, if you like the sound of these but want even more versatility, the last product on our list might catch your eye. Product number 5, Amzish Smart Glasses. Priced at $84.99, I was drawn to them because of their feature set, including open-ear audio and real-time translation. If you're looking for a functional pair of smart glasses that fit into an active lifestyle, these are worth a look. With an 8-megapixel camera and the ability to capture smooth 30 FPS videos, these glasses are perfect for vlogging or documenting your adventures. The built-in AI assistant can translate in real time, which is incredibly useful when you're traveling. Plus, the open acoustic design allows you to stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying your audio, which is a huge plus for outdoor activities. However, some users have pointed out that the battery life could be better for video recording, with only 12 minutes per session. But if you're primarily using them for shorter clips and audio, it's a solid fit. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional tool for daily activities without feeling bulky. Skip this one if you frequently need to record longer videos, as that limitation might hinder you. For the price, you're getting a lot of great features packed into a stylish design. So there you have it. We've covered the M12, VSD SLGD, Emerhome, Zigtech, and AMZI SH smart glasses. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Emerhome glasses for their fantastic video quality and AI features, which are perfect for travelers. Definitely avoid the VSD SLGD if you're looking for tech-savvy options, as the lack of connectivity could leave you frustrated.